Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping in. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cute little earring display out of new Dollar Tree stuff. The little hand drill you can get on Amazon. It's like $6 and something. The wood pieces I got from Dollar Tree, and there's a whole bag of them. And the dowel rods that you see up in your upper left-hand corner, those also came from Dollar Tree. You do this, try to get a drill bit that fits in that little hand drill that is as big as the dowel rod. I did not do that, so then I had to shave it and scrape it with the drill, and it was a nightmare. Use some sandpaper and smooth it down. Now use wood glue or super glue. I should have used wood glue with this. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Don't forget to hit the bell. Toodles!